In this guide, I'll show you how to sign into your PlayStation Network account on the PS5 Pro using the PlayStation app. So if you're not signed in already and you scroll over to the Welcome Hub or PlayStation Store, it's going to ask you to sign into the PlayStation Network. And when you do this, a QR code's going to generate, and we're going to scan that in the PlayStation app. So if you don't have the PlayStation app on your phone, you can download it from the App Store for free. And what you want to do is open up the PlayStation app. Now, the first time you use it, you will have to sign into your PlayStation Network account, but once you've signed in once, you'll be able to use this forever to sign into your PS5 quickly. So what you want to do is select the settings cogwheel in the top right corner, and then we're going to scroll down, and under Console Management, you want to select Scan QR Code. This is going to open up the camera on your phone, and now I'm just going to scroll over to this QR code, and it's going to ask if you can sign into this device. So you want to approve this sign in and then give it a few seconds and it'll say, go to your console, it's all set. So now that we've done this, you can close out the app on your phone and it's going to ask you, do you want to set up a passcode for your PS5? I'm just going to leave this turned off and go to OK. Now you'll see we're now signed into our PlayStation Network account using the PlayStation app. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe and we'll see you in the next one.